out as far as the MLA canteen row is concerned. Now there has been a development where the FDA has decided to suspend the caterer's license. The Food and Drug Administration has suspended the license of Ajanta Caterers, which runs the Akashvani MLA canteen. Now, Shiv Sena MLA Sanjay Gaikwad, who thrashed a canteen employee here alleging poor quality of food, after which the FDA inspected and took action as far as when it comes to the action that has now been initiated with regards to the canteen owner or the caterer in this case. However, we're still awaiting if there would be any action that would be taken against the Shiv Sena MLA himself, who took law in his own hand. But the caterer's license that has now been suspended when the MLA claimed that the food that was served to him was stale, and now it seems, as far as when it comes to the Sena leader who was serving punches and abuses to the canteen staffer, but there is still any action that is yet reportedly taken against him. Let's get in a word from Rucha, who's joining us at this point. Rucha, good morning. Action against the canteen, the caterer, but no action yet on the MLA.
Well, of course, this question comes up as the license of Ajanta company which was serving at the canteen of Akashvani, the MLA residence, is now suspended, but there seems no action taken on the MLA Sanjay Gaikwad, who comes from Buldana, and he till now, since he was elected, he was living in this particular location, Akashvani, which is MLA's residence, and he always pretended to have a simple lifestyle. But now, after yesterday's incident, questions have arisen on how the MLA has turned into a violent person, and how he abused the person who served him the food and which was stale, is what he is saying.
Okay.
He clarified that he was not feeling well after consuming the food. Even the Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde also backed him, saying that he vomited and hence he acted that way. But it is no one should justify his behavior on how.
But at this point, condemnation that's more from the Chief Minister, from an own party leader as well. But we are yet to see if any action would be initiated against the said Shiv Sena MLA. For the moment, thank you very much, Rucha, for joining in. Let's move on and speak about the